Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to enable HyperV on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And if the video helps, please give it a thumbs up. Right, we'll start by going to the search bar, click here and type in Control for Control Panel. Once it appears, click it. Then just at the top here, View By, change that to Small Icons. Next we'll go to Programs and Features. Select that. On the left hand side we have Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click. We get another panel here and what you'll see is HyperV. So just click on HyperV. We can actually expand these plus signs to see what is additionally installed with that tick. Once you've had a look, just click OK. It says searching for required files. This takes a few moments, as you can see. And I'll show you the next step once this is complete. Applying changes. The bar is full. Windows completed the requested changes. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the requested changes. So let's restart now. The reboot took a minute or two and now I'm back at the desktop. Let's do a search for HyperV. Here we see HyperV Manager. I'll click on that. And this is the HyperV Manager console. I have some machines I worked on previously. Yours will likely be blank. So there you have it. That's how to enable HyperV on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Hope it's helped. Let me know in the comments what virtual machines you'll be loading up in your HyperV environment. Thanks a lot for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.